everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia. And the name of my channel and the username is at Lydia'skitchen. In case you're looking for me on YouTube, is at Lydia'skitchen. So today I want to be making a detailed video on how to make samosa spring roll and the samosa wrap. So I'm making it in 3 parts. So stay tuned and enjoy. In case you want to start up a business, this video is for you on how to make samosa, spring roll, small chops in general. This is the video you need. So let's go to the kitchen.
Put your meat inside water. Make sure it's raw meat, and you can use any meat of your choice. There's no rule to it really, but I'm using raw meat. I prefer to have a fresh meat and use it from start. You can do a lot with that than a processed meat already. So I'm adding this to water, and I'm not adding salt, neither am I adding seasoning cube. I'll just cook it in water, just plain water. Put it in a pot, cover, and allow it to cook for roughly 5 minutes. You can also use till it's boiled, that you can see bubbling coming out, or you can hear sizzling, or the pot is sizzling. Yeah, that's the word. Then you cover and you allow it to cook. Then after 5 minutes, you open your pot and okay, you like the consistency. The water is bubbling, the meat is cooked. Then you drain the water and you set it aside. That's the first step. So the second step, you want to put a fresh pan on the hob. Make sure it's dry, because right now what we want to do is we want to start toasting all our spices. This step is so crucial because it gives you a edge on the taste of your small chops. It makes it different from others. So pour in that garlic powder, garam masala, then your curry. I'm not using thyme really because it's always obvious, so I don't like using it. Then I'm using plenty of suya spice. You can use scotch bonnet pepper, but I feel the scotch bonnet pepper here is so harsh, so strong, and you don't know who might be ordering. So, and the suya spice taste is unique, because it's suya spice, just do you. Right now, I did not add salt and maggi, but if you have it at this point, just add it, because it helps to intensify the taste of your samosa. Don't skip this step, guys. This step is so crucial to making the best samosa you can ever make. So toast it because it helps to bring the fragrance out, the aroma. Make sure your kitchen window is open, because you really need it to be open right now, because you can choke on this, and I won't want you to do that, right? So toast your spices, and when you feel it's enough, I don't know how to say stop at this also time, maybe for about 2 minutes, depending on the level of your hob or the fire you put. Just make sure it's not burnt. Then set it aside. Then after that, you put in another fresh pan. You want to start frying this time around. So when you put on a fresh pan, add in some oil, not too much, just little oil. Cut your onions, add it into the pot, and you want the onions to be diced. After your onion is sauteed for about a minute, you want to add in your minced meat, the one we've boiled already. That's why I started the video of boiling my meat first, because you might be wondering why she's starting with the meat. Yeah, that's why, because we want the whole water to drain out completely. So you pour in your meat and you stir. This time around, you have to stick with your pot, because you don't want the meat to get burnt, and at the same time you want the meat to be well fried, that is very, very dry. You need your meat to be as dry as possible. I'm so detailed about this video because if you want to start a business, you need this, because every little detail you mix affects the taste of your small chops or the quality. Then after that, you add in all your spices. This is the time you have to add anything you need to add. Be unique. This is my own video. When you are finding your own, when you are redefining your own, just add something different. Be specific, be unique in whatever you add. But this is just the basic. Make sure you're adding your salt and seasoning cube, because I did not show when I added it in this video, but just do you. Make sure you stir fry, tear it together, make sure it's not burnt on high. I'm doing this on high because it helps with the taste. I don't know how to say it, but when you do this, anytime you go back doing the same thing, you get the same taste over and over again. And whoever eats your small chops, they'll be like, or whoever eats your samosa, this is Lydia's samosa. It's only a samosa that tastes like this. I want you to be that unique. So pour in all your vegetables. So I'm using frozen vegetable. Back at home, I used to use fresh vegetable, whereby I start cutting, dicing, and here in the UK, you can as well buy fresh, but life is so easy. You can get frozen ones as cheap as 79p, £1. So why not get frozen one when it's much easier and saves you a lot of time? And that's it, guys. Our samosa sauce is ready. Please and please, if you find this video very useful, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to watch the spring roll sauce and how to make samosa and spring roll wraps in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do drop your comments if there's any suggestion you would like to make or any question you would like to ask. Please feel free to message me on Instagram at Lydia'skitchen. The kitchen is K. I will see you in my next video. Bye.